Hi, my name is Dave. Today I'm going to show you and give you a review of my Apple iMac G3 computer, which I got from eBay a couple days ago. It is a first edition iMac and it's a blueberry color. Here we have a 50-inch monitor. We have got CD-ROM drive at the front, two surround sound speaker, left and right. We have got a power button, two headphone jacks, which is great for the educational. Over here, we have got all these ports. First, we have got the headphone port and microphone next to it. We have got two universal serial port or USB, one Ethernet port which plug the internet, and one telephone port. And these also include Apple USB keyboard, original keyboard, and it's a blueberry color. Let me show you. Here it is. And here we have the Hockey Puck mouse, which I'll also be getting original Pro mouse in the coming days. This mouse is a bit difficult to use. I'll be doing my best to use it. And you also include the original software accessories. Here we have the Apple logo. Okay, here we have iMac software install restore CD backup. Then we have iMac software install. This is running under OS system 8.5. We have got William Sonoma Good Cooking Software, which got all these recipes for cooking. My iMac software CD, which this include Adobe Reader, Norton Antivirus, and also a couple of demo games, also including StarCraft 2, which is very awesome. And finally, we have got software for Windows 95 and Mac. And let me go ahead and show you the box. Hey guys, here is the original iMac box. I have got the blueberry color below. Let me show you the side. Here we have the beautiful Apple logo and iMac. We have got blueberry color and some serial number for the iMac. Let me show you the features or the specs. Here it is. The internet age computer for the rest of us. And here is all the features. Okay, let's power up this iMac. And here we are. Welcome to macOS. And if you see a flickering screen, it's because the monitor is using the old CRT system, so nothing I can do. Sorry about that. And there it is. Okay, here we have Apple menu, File, Edit, View, Special, and Help. I also installed a couple games which I will be doing a review and a gameplay walkthrough. Okay, let's click the Apple menu and about this computer. And here we have a built-in memory of 160 megabytes and a virtual memory of 161. And the macOS is running under 8.5.1 operating system, and macOS 1.2.1. And this hockey puck mouse is a bit hard to use, so I'm gonna try my best. So also be getting the Pro mouse probably tomorrow. And here we have Apple System Profiler. And here we have macOS Overview, Thunder 8.1, System 8.5.1, and using QuickTime 3.0.2. And I have a disk cache of 5 megabytes, virtual memory 161 megabytes, video memory 6 megabytes. We have model name iMac, keyboard Apple USB keyboard, processor info, power PC G3, machine speed 266 megahertz, and FPU building. And there it is. Here we have calculator, the old retro, which is awesome. Graphical calculator as well. There's let's go to control panel. Here we have appearance. You can choose the desktop background. I choose custom. There's bubbles. And the lollipop. And here is the original macOS default purple color. Is custom theme. We have appearance, fonts, different font type, desktop, sound, platinum sound, which I choose, and options, smart scrolling, and double click title bar. With Apple menu option, Apple Talk, within it, color things, control string, data time, general control. You can control the brightness of the color and how fast the insertion point. Go internet, and it's running under Internet Explorer 5 and Netscape. Also, we have 1 year free Norton antivirus, SimTech. Monitor and sound. We can choose the different colors, 256, 1000 and millions of color. And you have the screen resolution, 640 by 480. And I'm using 800 by 600. And the biggest is 1024 by 768 resolution. And most of the games come with a 640 by 480, which I'll be using for the gameplay. Sound, and using SRS 3D surround sound system. Alerts, that's one of the most people use, default sound. Geometry, and you can adjust the total screen. You can adjust the position, rotate, and all those stuff. Color. Mouse, you can control the mouse tracking. Cool. Memory, virtual memory. Okay, let's see. Macintosh hard drive. Here we have the Adobe Reader, Internet Explorer 5, QuickTime Movie Player, and you can also update this to macOS 8.6 system. So I'm not gonna do that. I like the old Retro 8.5. Also, it comes with Microsoft Office 2001, which I got it works. Microsoft Word. Word document, and here it is. Yes. I like the old style. Okay. And here is the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Which is very cool. Here we have the PowerPoint and the Microsoft Entourage, and I think it was database. We have Adobe Photoshop, Color it, and I also got the MyOp installed. Also got Norton antivirus. Okay, and here is the menu bar. You can adjust the screen 640. I'm gonna try 640 because I'm gonna show you a game. Here it is. And now I've got Lemmings, which is a classic, one of the best game in the 90s. Games, Lemmings. Here it is. And here we have music, new level. Let's go, and you can choose the difficulty. We go for fun, tricky, taxing, and mayhem. And there are 120 levels in total. Let's try. And here level 1. And you rescue all the lemmings. And they also give you access for the path for each of the level you complete, so you can go directly to it. And you can fast forward by pressing shift. Okay, and I'll be doing a full walkthrough in the next coming days. I also got Oh No More Lemming, Holiday Lemming, and Expense Lemmings. So yeah, we have games. That's all the games are installed, including Ultimate Spin Doctor, with very fun game. Also Brickless Plus and Glider, and also Spectra VR. It's a very fun game. And there it is. And thank everyone for watching. So please like and subscribe my channel. So I'll be doing lots of video games walkthrough in the upcoming days. So please check it out. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good night. Shut down.